Let's unlock the secret ingredients for successful root canal treatment. Here's your quick roadmap. Irrigants, sodium hypochlorite and EDTA. Inter-appointment medicament, calcium hydroxide. Obturation materials, Gutta-percha and Sealer. First up, irrigants. They're the superheroes that clean and disinfect your canals. Sodium hypochlorite dissolves tissue and kills microbes. EDTA removes the smear layer and opens dentinal tubercles. Next, calcium hydroxide, the bodyguard between appointments. It keeps bacteria away and helps healing. Fun fact, calcium hydroxide is highly alkaline, and that's why bacteria hate it. Finally, the grand finale, obturation. Gutta-percha fills the cleaned canal and Sealer seals the microscopic spaces for a perfect finish. Quick recap and mind map revisit. Quick recap: clean, protect, seal. Irrigants, medicaments, obturation. Your trio for endodontic success. Fun quiz. Time to test your memory. Which material dissolves pulp tissue? Sodium hypochlorite. Which medicament is used between appointments? Calcium hydroxide. What seals the canal along with Gutta-percha? Sealer. Master these materials and your root canal treatments will shine. Healthy teeth, happy patients, happy you.